The new G90 M5 Twin Turbo Hybrid V8. Heavier? Yes. Smarter? Sure. But is it quicker? Absolutely. Still, something felt off. All that muscle, but not enough sound. And you know what? We fixed it. Akrapovič slip-on line with rounded carbon tips and Evolution link pipe. Also, look at this perfect titanium finish. Weight reduction and the sharper sound. Creates a totally transformed image of this insane machine. Bus performance cutter. First to swap it, first to tune it, and first to introduce it.